Hey everyone, respected judges, teacher, sister, brother, and all my dear friends. My name is Nitesh Sharma. I am from class 8 section room number 22. I am John Amen. Judges, teacher, brother and sister, my name is Junior Sharma of class 6 section A. Room number 27.
Class 6A, those who finish to perform, you can get inside.
Okay. So class 6 section B will begin now. Instead of roaming out here and there, you shall stay in one place.
My name is Al Verma, room number class 7, room number 17. I am wearing as a homeless.
Isaac Deborah, class 7.
Everyone, respected brothers, teachers, brothers and friends. I am Isaac Verma from class 7, number 3. I am debating on method.
Good morning to you all. My name is Samuel Deborah. I read in class 7. My roll number 46. I represent an injured person.
Good morning everyone, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Inisha Deborah of class 7, room number 15, and today I am a teacher. Thank you.
Wait.
Good morning everyone, the respected teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. I am Ramani Deborah of class 7, room number 45. And today I have become a famous great father of every village.
Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Indu Deborah, class 7, room number 9. I am a Farouk.
BK Deborah.
Everyone, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Samuel Deborah. I am in class 7. My roll
Keep silent.
Everyone, I'm Khaled Deborah from class 8 section A, roll number 50. My traditional is Takora. Thank you.
Prima Deborah.
Good morning, everyone. Respected judges, teachers, audience, and all my dear friends. My name is Adisha Dirba, and I read in class 8 section A. And roll number 3. And I'm wearing modern style dress.
media channel ni bisingte ang sanama chingo chini Don Bosco football team tongo football smia joto sports ni bagi sujuk ritmo aban bagi thangnai bosor tebo 2023 te 2024 te takleo bo 2025 bo chini Don Bosco ni bisingte chini football tungna thai hangkha te abo haike chini team mea hinke champion hingka chini Sidhu Kanu Smriti knockout football tournament or tournament no ASAP organized laika all Adivasi Students Association of Tripura aro 38 team hingka 38 team bisingte chini Don Bosco Mandai ni angke final hingka Don Bosco Mandai versus Magnet Para kaisa team by hingka te apply hingka 3-1 by te aman by borno congratulations ya paro te botini felicitation for laika te amani bisingte sanam singo chini tunai rakno sikla sikli jotono sujugre namuchungo eba bisingte borok amia mane no yakare kaham laino porasuna nen loge omohake fitted borok meeting hane te ot kaisa chini Don Bosco FC khaimani hinke joto je kono sikla rok eba sikli rok bo join khaimano kono to apatkire tini amo felicitation program paikha tebo chini o saptao chini school bo talent show te alka co curricular activities program unitno bisi brum no amane bisingte chini chara no sujugre namuchungo borok ni jeswa no borok kunukthung te abo haike online bo borok kinanga bo haike thangmangthung ne chung Don Bosco ni bisingte chung sujugre namuchungi tungo tungo o borirok bo bosoro SM Cup ngo thungkha football belakino kaham khlaika tebo borirok under 13 girls football thungnai boro sujug mangkha chini umakanto academy o thunani PFA by sujug mangkha abonte te o masono chini Inter Don Bosco chini Don Bosco school to 8 Don Bosco Tripura borok to Don Bosco ni player rock buri by chela hainai chini Don Bosco Mandai ase Inter Don Bosco tournament unai football by volleyball te abo jate mane chini amo haike sujug tunga football by volleyball ni bage next time alka thum rok bo khailane o program wa chini जों खाखायो जोंनि स्पर्ट्स मिनिस्टार एबा जेकुनु बर' रत्न अख्रा चक्रा रत्न बरमगोनां रत्न नगराय रत्न जों खबरनि दङ रिङि दङ केसारमुं रि दङ जों खाखायो डिपार्टमेन्टनि बर'फ्रा फायनाय जोंनि त्रिपुरा हास्टेनि जोंनि Don Boscoनि जे गोबां प्लेयार रक दङ student rock player rock botong borok kai borok sports meet jing khailane amoke o masni 30 August 2025 amoke Saturday night
borok muthungne amoke
amoke chini matol nai tai kaisa inke chini Mandai ni Gurmoni stadium go nai amoke chelar ko bage nai te chini Mandai school matok hai buri rokni bagi dinai abo kotor no panda khainan bagi cheng planning khai dong te abon bagi je reading hitu borok no reading nan bagi saw joto school ni chini bisis ke chini Don Bosco joto 8 school ni te o gana gini ni je guardian ma pasang te nai rokno joto na sekarang invitation rena muncul welcome kena muncul naik tadi dari sujuk encourage tadi jadi upcoming generation jadi kelas clear apa jadi cerai
Enggak sarte gese.
oke jadi je Don Bosco FC tu aro ke borok tinggal sudah inter school oke borok sudah school je kuno school ni nana abo ke inter school ni baik dai ko je cing tabu tungi tu cing kumulungo kotor tournament dok tungo aro first round cing paika 4-0 bai tai ke sa ke cing kilau bo tungi tu join kami aro bo cing paika aro bo 4-1 bai paika te meya bo cing pai mani jagao tai bo tini bo thane thunai omo ke je kuno patar ni open tournament ke je kuno sports lover football lover je chingni dol bai na kathalai thingna muchung nai borok phaimang drivers jatona bol lamsuba
Jamatia Mandai High Secondary School Kairei ni Koroksa senior teacher te yang kini oro kok sana musuma ka mohai je sini Don Bosco Kairei Mandai khelao belai ko chukai tomo tini hingkai jeng chini Israel champion trophy tui phejau ka Sindu Kanu trophy knockout mani jago jengo mahagena kecano musumu kok sini ma fasono sini Don Bosco ni tai sini tim Tripura has tini ma fasong tai sini cerai rokno kheladula amusuk nang mani a kheladula no sing belai ke saktana nango kheladula ni bisingte sak hamkrai thayo dopani hamkrai ungo dopani bumu kucho kawo tai je thungnai thungkrangni belai ke bini thinang ka hamoi thango abani bagai sini Don Bosco ke khelano belai ke saktare especially tabu football lo jeng belai ke kucho kai tongo o kucho kamani haine bo kucho kaya abo sini school authority ni principal ni smi chengai teacher student ma fasong jotoni no nahar tongo tai jotono suwa tai tongo haike ni sini school lo tabu jeng kwangno jago thungai champion ni tongo ba khela ka ham kai tongo haike jeng tini champion ni mane bisingo jeng tebo top sana musugo ba jeng Don Bosco song khai tongo ni abo haine joto jaga khai gan kai sawo tau sini Don Bosco TFA Tripura Football Federation by kaham ke sinija jeng arabo register khaikya jeng arabo Don Bosco FC joto Tripura ni Don Bosco pori nai rok wangma khela krung tongo haipana kaise borona chabai team snamjak tongya rui a team snana bagai na jeng Don Bosco FC ni kloka a Don Bosco FC wo joto Don Bosco Tripura ni pori nai rok pori tongnai rok pori paija rok borok a khelawa thungui mano ge aron yo rangku chakwang na khoros tongo haibano jeng jeman sak saktare sini principal bisingte sini school song bisingte jeng a khelana kusu karana nai tongo oma haikeno TFA bai jeng hana high station kaiga sini brui team Don Bosco Kairei team TFA arbo jeng hana high station kaiga hana high brui rok ni bo Don Bosco FC club tongo tabo football thuna bagai haike borok tabok jeng Tripura wo hana hai buri team ngai jeng arbo chance maka jeng taklai hana hai thingpinai sini 15 August tongmani khela abo jot to Tripura hui 8 school select khaje a khela wa thunani bagai belai ke jeng Don Bosco Kairei Mandai belai ke kapal kaham hai TFA wo jeng kasih registration manai jeng arab team thungi mani a 15 August no 15 August belai biji tongma bagai a date no slai tabo August ni 24 Abriron khelang nai Abriron khelawa tebo nangkok mane kangke jeng aro registration do mangka CRS mangka all Tripura Football Federation Abriron ni team ngai jeng tabo all India level of jeng tabo registration kaya ba CRS kaya abro belai ke kaham gai tebo jeng khale ka tabo jeni khelano tebo kuchu karna nai jeni principal jeni school authority sakharman bising tei kaisa football academy ni coach rock যেটা highly qualified coach of tabuk jeng tubunai boro bai tabuk jeng kok salai tongo khakhayo buskang mas rok ni bisingo chini football coach rok paisok painai football academy ni chini wangma coach borok pune hai India level lo coach khai paijak tei India team rogo coach khai paijak rok pune ne wangma tabo chini ora dugo cheng ringai tongo borok bai bahai ke football no tebo kuchu kalaiman sudu football simia borok jotto khela no mano chini athletics hindi chini volleyball hindi ama hai wangma tei volleyball lo chini belai ke no kuchu kajak tabo bo tini bo thungai tongai yo chini Don Bosco ningai player kesrang dei bo select njak sub divisional level lo select ngai tabo district level thungai tamo gao khela no karana bagai jotto chimti prasani amchai rogo tebo sing saktala jana mo khela ni bising tei bangma tabuni chamung hamya loi hamya tomung hamya rona chengkate oi mano borok khoroksa jepro khela ba gedalai tongkai bini one shot ma nanga jagawa klaiya nangma jagawa no bini khela rok klainai tai bini sak ham krai hete bini fitness tongnai bani rok thinango fujirawa chakring nani ba puno jaga rok department chakring nana thake bo sport kota rok manai ja oma hai ungtong nai ga chang chini thinango na harai chini ok thumung rok no chungte bo don bo sukai rengai uchuk tlangnai tai sim tiprasa besar rok no jodono no kobogo khelao rok saktadi khelao kaham kendron pinang sinamanai narok Don Bosco pori apano jepro Don Bosco chini football academy sengo joto no phaiman nai aro sung phaiman nai jeng khakayo amse kombai no je mansa kom khai jeng no school support kai nai tai jemu chuk nai aro join dei mano kom khoros bai no rang kisa bai no kaha kai football academy bo join dei man nai joto no hambai khela bai ko chukadi dopana sagat langi hambai bari bo chukka durgabari ti bagan aro borok bo sobrung brung no songsao ot khela aro nyo total 38 teams tongo aro nyo jeng knockout thangai jeng 5 bar khela apply ngai mia jeng 14 tarik 13 tarik Agustus jeng champion ngai mangka aro thnai ro Don Bosco FC nono bangku thnai ro tai kene ke tham Don Bosco ni khatani borok rok tongo tai a khela no kaham ke thangai belai khai lukuro bo sajagai chini chirai ro sajagai so o khela no champion nang